Hi, Schwan.
And you know what? I bet you they're Scarface's babies.
Could be.
And she probably had them in Princeton. I mean, in Plainsboro.
Hi, Schwan.
Hi, boobies.
Hi, guys.
What you two doing?
These guys are babies. Hi, Schwans.
Hi, babies.
Look at them. And then Mama's in the back. She's back there somewhere. Hi, guys. Schwans. Look at you two. Look. Oh. That one's a baby. He's small. Hi, guys. Hi, Schwan. Oh, babies. You mean Schwans? Look at that too. Yeah. Come on.
Bet you if we walked out there, they would come over to us.
Yeah, they tried yesterday, but there was ice. There's Mama out there.
I mean, if we walked to the end of the trail.
I ain't walking there.